Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, Ceres, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto, Salacia, Haumea, August, Makemake, Eros, Salacia, 2006, Salacia, quarter, Sin, Dwarf Planet 9, Oort Cloud. Thank you for watching in the system. The sun. This is the sun. Sun is a big ball of gas. It's the brightest in our solar system. It's even planet. It's brighter than planet Venus. Sun is very clueless about these things. Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. Mercury takes 63 Earth is to Mercury to make one round, 2 round, 30 round to orbit the sun. Next up is Venus. Venus is about the same size as the Earth. Venus spin the right and the Earth spin the left. Next up, Mars. Mars has two. No, that's not right. The Earth had one moon named Lena. It takes 63. No. Let's start from Venus. Venus is the second planet from the sun. It takes 163 Earths to Venus to run to orbit the sun. The Earth had one moon named Lena. It takes 65 years to Earth to travel all the way around the sun. Mars has two moons, Phobos and Deimos. Mars has a giant volcano in the solar system. Mars has dangerous volcanoes in the solar system. Ceres is found in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Ceres has any moons. Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system. It had 62 moons. The four biggest moons are Europa, Ganymede, and Io, and Callisto. That's because Jupiter is much huge. Do you know again? Beautiful week. Saturn is the sixth planet from the sun, and it has two moons. And it has three moons. Titan and Rhea. Next up to the ice giants, Uranus. Uranus spins on its the Uranus spins where Uranus has 13 rings, but are hard to see them. Uranus is a blue-green icy giant. It's a greeny and blue color. Uranus spins on its side. And the sphinxer looks like a gas giant, like this, like Jupiter. Neptune. Neptune is a big blue planet. Neptune is the farthest planet from the sun. That's because Neptune has at least 6 rings made of dust and some rocky chunks. Neptune has at least 13 moons. The biggest one is called Titan. Titan had one moon named Titan. That's right. It's the Titan, the same size as your beautiful. I'm gonna trick you with this, Pluto. Pluto! Pluto is being called a planet. Pluto have one moon named Saturn. No name? That's right. Haumea. No, this is Senna. Senna is a dwarf planet Cabadia. Senna takes 6,100 to Earth is to travel all the way around the sun. It has a slowly stay in the solar system. It has the longest orbit in the solar system. So Makemake have billions of moons, billions of asteroids orbit him. H2 that's a lot of asteroids. I'm gonna trick you. Salacia have one moon. This moon is Atia. Atia orbits the Salacia in 240 years to travel all the way to Salacia. Salacia takes 6,100 years to travel all the way around the sun. You might be tricky. Eris. Eris is a dwarf planet found in the Kuiper Belt. Eris had one moon named Donia. It takes 240 years to travel all the way around the sun and good. Quail have a deep ocean. I have to cut the name. Look, quail have a deep ocean. Quail had one moon named Raywan. Raywan have a deeper ocean and quarters. It takes quarter of 240 Earths to go around the sun. August have a deep ocean and had one moon named Ven. It takes Ven at 100 Earths to orbit August, and at August takes 6,100 Earths to travel all the way the burning sun. Can you see all these words? You're gonna learn one time at Dog Planet Kapati. So remember, Dog Planet Kapati, listening to his. Here it goes. Dwarf Planet 9. Dwarf Planet 9 have a deep, it has no ocean and no solid surface. The dwarf planets and dwarf planets cavity don't have a deep ocean than and Dwarf Planet 9. Dwarf Planet 9 is found in the dark purple. I hope you join me again. Bye!